In this video, we will be covering how to change the date and the time within the command line in Windows. It's as simple as opening the command prompt and typing in date. Kind of. Now notice when I type in date and press enter, it tells me the current date is Thursday, August 20th of 2015, and it prompts me to enter a new date. 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 2 numbers for the year. If I were to do that and make it the 21st, so 0821-15, and press enter, notice it says a required privilege is not held by the client. The same thing should happen with the time, and there's a few things that we can do to go around this in order to make this CLI work. Now, in the real world, I am going to be realistic and let you know, you just click on the time in the system tray, you click on the time and the date, and then you click change date and time settings, and you go to change date and time, and you can do everything from here within the GUI. But since this is the command line course, I'm going to show you how we can make it work in the command line. As such, one of the ways that I got it to work was to restart the computer, and when it restarts, you want to press F8 when it starts booting up. What that's going to do is it's going to show you some advanced boot options. You can repair your computer, go into safe mode with networking, with the command prompt, enable boot logging, so on and so forth. What I'm worried about is entering safe mode with networking, being as how that's the one that I realistically use in the field every single time I enter safe mode. What safe mode will do is load the very base of the driver requirements needed in order to use the system effectively. Safe mode, for what I use it for, is when a computer is infected with a type of virus that locks down certain services. I can enter in safe mode, get an installation of something like Malwarebytes to remove all of the malware, and ergo clearing out the computer and cleaning the computer to get beyond those service locks that the malware has stopped. So you see that we are booted into safe mode. It says safe mode in all 4 corners, and if you type in start, or you press start, type in CMD, press enter, and do the same command of date, notice it says the same thing, Thursday, August 20th, 2015. If I want to change this to August 21st of 2015 and I press enter, you notice I have no error messages and the date did get changed to August 21st, 2015. I'm going to go ahead and change that back in a little bit different way. So if you do date and then type in the date you would like to have, and notice this one is 4 numbers, sorry, and this one as well. And it changes right back without any error. You can do the same thing with time. Enter in time, it tells you the current time. Enter in the new time. Say for instance, hey, I want it to be 10:05 56.9. Notice it has changed the time to 10:05 a.m. But I don't want it to be that time. I do want it to be 8:06. So 8:06, and now it is 8:06 in the morning. If I wanted it to be 8:06 in the evening, I could type in 8:06 and then PM to specify AM and PM, and notice it just changes that PM to the time, ergo switching that. Now another convenient command, or not a command, but another convenient key is to press the up arrow within the command line to type in the most recent command that you have typed. You can keep pressing up to scroll through all of the commands that you have run, as you see here, and that's just another quick way to speed up your command line process. Either way, that covers everything for date and time. Also, we covered safe mode, using the GUI, which is realistically what you're going to be doing in the field, And that will conclude this lesson.